Do you want to install Windows 11 right now on your computer without losing any data or apps? Then stay tuned because in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Windows 11 officially on your device. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to Tech Trends. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Microsoft just released Windows 11 Insider Preview for testing purposes on Windows Insider program. That means you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on your device without losing any data. I won't recommend installing it on your main computer because this is a beta version and might not work as expected. Then again, when did Windows work as expected anyways? So to install it on your computer, first make sure your system meets the minimum requirements of Windows 11. You can find the requirements page from the link in the description below. One of the important requirements for Windows 11 is TPM 2.0. To check if your computer has TPM, just go to the search bar and search for tpm.msc. And from here, click on this icon. Here you can see the details about TPM. It will show nothing if your CPU doesn't support it or it is disabled in the motherboard's BIOS. To enable it, just restart your PC and press some key to enter BIOS. Usually the key is delete key. If you are on easy mode or normal mode, go to advanced or classic mode, and if you are using an Intel CPU, search for PTT or Platform Trust Technology. And if you are using AMD CPU, it should be called FTPM. Enable those features and check back on Windows if your TPM is enabled. Now that we are done with the TPM, we need to register for Windows Insider program. To do that, go to Settings and then Update and Security and scroll all the way down to Windows Insider program. From here, link your Microsoft account and it will ask you to agree the terms and conditions and things like this. I already registered for the program, so it won't ask me anything. Now to get the Windows Insider Preview, you have to select Dev Channel from here. And after selecting that, your computer will prompt you to restart. So restart the computer. After the restart, go back to Settings, Update and Security, and click on Check for Update. Now it should start downloading Windows 11 update. It will take some time depending on your internet speed. It took me about an hour because I have pretty bad internet. And Windows 11 will start installing. It will restart a few times while installing, so don't worry if it does. When the installation is done, you will be on the official Windows 11. Hope this video helped you. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you didn't. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Have a great day and peace.